Welcome, Emily.
Thank you.
Thank
So
you for
excited
coming
to
to
be
Perennials this morning.
Thank you for having me.
We're very excited to have you as our brand ambassador here.
We are so excited to be partnering with Perennials on my own personal home, Home Sweet Hewett here in Dallas. As I always say, do it right and you only have to do it once. When my husband and I decided to build our home, we knew that we wanted to include fabrics that were stylish yet durable. So from design all the way to install, we knew that Perennials Fabrics was the right choice for us. Welcome to Home Sweet Hewett with Perennials. We intend to use all the fabrics we can, all the rugs we can, on so many soft goods, pillows, everywhere we can use it.
This is our yarn bank that is what the bones of our business, and it's all made of solution dyed acrylic, which is a fiber that is extruded and it's color all the way through. And I think we only have
45 this year.
Actual
We're
fiber
really excited.
colors.
Yes.
Very exciting.
And it makes over 900 SKUs.
Sure.
I mean, really, it's a box of crayons that we're able to play with.
Okay, that's great.
So you can think of any color you want, we'll
Yes.
try to get there.
Okay, that's great. Well, and that's so, I mean, that makes it so easy for us as designers and myself and our entire team, because clients will come in all of the time with, hey, this is kind of the direction I want to go, and it might be something new that we've never seen or used before. So this will be very helpful for us.
Great.
We plan on living in this house for the next 15 plus years. So it's super important to us that we can live fearlessly, we can host fearlessly, we can have people over for dinner dates and play dates and not have to worry about, oh gosh, what if someone spills red wine on the sofa? Or what if someone takes a Sharpie to the pillows? So we're really, really excited about having Perennials all over this house.
So we're going to let you be in charge.
Okay, right.
So it's always that beautiful red wine that's kind of that
Right.
wham,
Right. Okay, so you invite your friends and neighbors over, you pour everyone a nice full glass of red wine, and inevitably, somebody always spills the red wine on the white sofa.
Right. But if that sat there all night, it would start sinking in.
Sure,
Right.
of course.
And
of
so your
course.
first reaction is, oh, well, let
just
me blot it up.
Yep.
This is a chenille, so
Look at that. I mean, you guys.
Already.
Yep.
fearlessly we just go, oh darn,
Yeah.
we made a mess. That's too bad.
Well, and that's a great point too. I mean, it's not just on these fabrics. You have velvets, you have chenilles,
Right.
linens, and so they all will react this way, which is
That's
so unbelievable.
All right, welcome to Rug World. Come on in, Emily.
So excited for this. Look at all these gorgeous colors.
I know.
This is a very visual and
Yes.
tactile presentation,
Yes,
so please feel free
absolutely.
to
Come inside.
Okay, how many colors do you offer?
So actually, we have about 6,000 palm colors right now.
Again, very, very soft.
Right?
but
Yes,
also
absolutely.
so livable.
Right. Yeah, and bleach cleanable as well
Bleach
too.
clean- You make a
Yeah.
designer's
Yeah.
job very
Right.
easy.
yes.
I think you know, we are considering doing a runner with you guys on our stairs at Home Sweet Hewett, my
Okay.
personal home
Yes.
that we're building here in Dallas.
Awesome.
And I just knew that we needed to do this on the stairs because there's going to be kids running up and down the
Yeah.
stairs and friends, and so I need it to last forever.
Sure, absolutely.
So would the process be that I would just come to you, kind of show you what we have in mind?
Yes.
We would talk through colors and styles. And all of that.
Absolutely,
Okay.
yes. So pattern-wise, yeah, you can present us with any inspiration that you have, and we can kind of work through any custom ideas.
Right.
And then you can also send us swatches to color match too, and we can present that back to
Okay.
you as well.
So if I have this exact blue that I
Yes.
want, Benjamin Moore, booth
Yes.
gray, cut it 50%. we can
Yes, we can do that.
Do that.
Absolutely.
Okay, great.
Yes.
This was so fun, you guys. I loved being able to walk through the whole warehouse with you guys and with Anne and hear all about the products and, you know, what you guys, how you came up with everything and what your mission is and what you believe in. This was great. I love the behind the scenes.